And there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl. So I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right.
What is up, guys? We are back with another video. It's your boy always SRT_Benton. The whole thing, before you watch this video, go ahead and go down below, hit the subscribe button, leave some comments, share, do all that good stuff. Y'all know what to do. Let's go ahead and jump straight into it. All right, guys, so today we are doing a small little decal modification. Many of you probably already seen this modification, just in different form. It's probably some other shape, color, or whatever. But anyway, I got these. Well, matter of fact, let's just start off right here. Let me see, test y'all's trivia. Does anybody know what this is for right here? This little circle right here. Only in challengers, not the Charger guys. Charger guys, this one ain't for y'all today. Challenger people, what is this circle for? Y'all leave a comment down below. Let me see if you're right. And later on, we're going to tell you what that is. But we're going to be putting this Scat Pack B decal right here, as you can see. Hope it's not blurry. Let me see. Bam. We're going to put that right there, right here. But I want to see if y'all know what that is used for. So that's going there. We got another one right here. That's going on the other side. And then we got a little bit of soap and water solution. And that is for these decals right here. This one is a Scat Pack. It's all black and it's got some white in it. Didn't really want any color. I'd like to try to keep a clean look. I probably could have did one with a little bit of yellow, but I thought this one would look pretty clean. And then another one for the passenger side. And then we have two of them that say these things have been rolled up. Y'all have to bear with me for a second. This one says 392, and the other one does as well. We up little bit of isopropyl alcohol. The 392, I'm not sure where to put that one, so I may be putting that one over here up under the hood, just to kind of put something up under the hood, so when we go to car shows, you pop the hood, see 392. So with that being said, we're gonna first start out by installing this right here, and when we come back, I'm gonna explain to y'all what that is, what they say it's used for. I don't know if that's the technical terminology, but I'll let y'all know what the Dodge community says that's used for. And that's ever since I've owned a Challenger, which is back in 2014 when I bought my first one. And I always wondered what those little holes were for. So, yeah, we trying to keep Grace clean, man. I went and bought the little Honda Civic right here. I'm gonna probably fix this up. Got a little bit of paint correction I got to do to it. I might get the whole thing repainted, take care of that rust and stuff. Put a little nice set of wheels on there. Those are some little 14-inch tires. I might go up a little bit, might put 17s on there, but just something to go back and forth to work while she sits all day. Then my wife drives the Chrysler. She ain't too dirty right now. I did drive her yesterday for the first time in 3 weeks, and I know I haven't did a video in a while, but you know, trying to work and stuff like that, as y'all, if y'all know from my last video, purchasing a house, so kind of got to grind right now, and YouTube's not paying me right now, so yep, working is definitely an option. So, you know, we everything's still the same. No new modifications on the outside. We just gonna do that right there, y'all, right there, SRT_Benton. Let people know. Got my neighbor Sean over there, he like them bikes. But yeah, y'all give me 1 second. We're gonna go ahead and start this install on this decal. All right, guys, so before we even start this decal, let me just tell y'all, this right here is supposed to be cup holders. If you didn't know, now you know. A lot of people probably don't know and they own these cars, but these are actually cup holders. If you think about it, you can sit a cup I mean, I have a squirt bottle right here with soapy water, and it sits perfectly inside that. I mean, that's the circumference of any, you know, can or bottle or whatever you want to, you know, drink out of. It goes right in here. So that is a cup holder, if a lot of people haven't noticed. So what these are little decals to kind of dress it up a little bit, so you can just sit your drink right on top of it. So we're gonna go ahead and start this thing. First of all, what you want to do is make sure this is a clean, dry surface. You don't want any wax, any wet wax, Lucas Oil, McGuire's, none of that stuff that y'all use to shine the car and the inside of the engine bay and all that good stuff, all your plastics. You don't want none of that on there. So what we're gonna do is, I'm doing this with one hand. This is gonna be a little hard, but what you could do is take your microfiber rag right there, squirt you a little bit of isopropyl alcohol on there, and take that rag and just wipe that hole right there. Just wipe that real good until it comes dry, just like so. Bam, and you can touch it and feel that it's pretty clean. Now, this right here is just like a 3M type deal. It's just sticky on the other side. Just unpeel that right there, and you find exactly where you want to put it. It should fit exactly right. I haven't done one of these, but we're about to see. It should fit perfectly, but if it doesn't, you can find the center as best you can, and just want to take it. Yep, it sticks in there perfectly. Actually, you might have to move it around just a little bit, but yep, and it sticks right in there. So all you want to do now is take your rag that you just wiped that with and just wipe the top of it and clean it real good. These were in my trunk, so they were moving around a little bit. So we want to just wipe it, take the other side and buff it dry, just like so. Make it nice and shiny. And there we have it. Let me try to get a better view. So there you go. You got your Scat Pack B inside there. And I know it's not much, but it kind of just, you know, kind of dresses up the inside just a little bit. It's not too much, it's not too little, but it's kind of just perfect, because you got that yellow in there and you got your red, and you know, you got your little yellow dipstick right there. But I wasn't gonna dress this engine up, so with these right here, I didn't feel like it would hurt it any much. So let's go over here to the other side, show y'all how to do this side. Now, when I do these decals, obviously I won't be able to hold the phone and do these, but all y'all should know how to install these. You just turn it over on the other side, take your water and soap solution, spray it down, spray the area that you're gonna put it on, and I'll show y'all here in a second where we're gonna put it. And you just spray the area, unpeel it, and you lay it down. And the reason why you spray that is so you can move it around, so you can get the proper fitment and the perfect, you know, whichever way you want to do it. So that's the reason why the soapy water solution is required when doing the decals. So I'll do that, and then I'll come back on and let you guys see what the finished product looks like. So let's go ahead and do this side right here. Same as the last side, got the same deal. A little bit of alcohol, actually. Let's see which side. Yeah, it was this side. Take a little bit of alcohol. Bam. Just a squirt. You don't need much. Take this and wipe that area real good. Turn it over. Buff it dry. You can touch it. See that it's buffed. And then we're gonna go ahead and one-hand this. I'm like Steve Harvey. We Johnsons. We one-handed people. You use two hands, son. And you're too slow. So one-handed, bam, stick it on both sides, put it down where you want it, and you can kind of move it a little bit, but what you want to do is try to get this as straight as possible, just like so. And I'm going to scooch it down just a little bit, and I think that's about right. And then you just press down real good and firm, not too hard, because this piece right here gives a little bit because you got your headlight down in there. Then once again, take this microfiber towel, wipe it a little bit, get some of that dirt and grime off of it, turn it around, and buff it dry, just like so. Nice and neat, bam. And that's the finished product. You got that side, come over here, you got that side. You know what? I'm looking at this. I think I just messed up. I think this side is supposed to go over there and that one goes over here. So I'm gonna change that off camera. I'm not gonna do it on camera. I'll change it off. But let's go over here and I'm gonna show y'all where these Scat Pack decals are gonna go. Just come over here, open the door right down here by the door jamb at the bottom, right along here. That's where this is gonna go. Let me see if I can lay it down. So it'll look something like that. It'll be laid down like that. You spray your area with your soapy water, spray the top of this, you peel it off and you lay it down to where you get the right fitment where you want it. And you just press down with a squeegee. You can use a credit card, or if you actually have a squeegee, you can use that. Yeah, so that's about it for that. Pretty simple, something straightforward. Just wanted to turn the camera on for something. And I've actually had these for a while now. I'm just now putting them on. So like I said, I'm gonna change those. I'm gonna switch those out. I'm gonna put these 392. I'm gonna put these up here somewhere. So it'll be something like that. I might put one in the center and leave it. I don't know. Might put one over here and put the other one over on the other side. Not quite sure what I'm gonna do yet. I may do it that way just because that's pretty much the only spot to really put it on. And yeah, that's about it. Y'all know we got the lights on there. I got the underglow lights on the bottom. Got the halos on front. I don't think I'm gonna do anything else no time soon, cosmetic wise. I'm still gonna put the Hellcat wheels on there. Some things came up, so I wasn't able to do that whenever I told y'all I was supposed to. I think I was actually supposed to do that a couple months ago. Didn't get around to doing it. And I first got to get that dent fixed. Yeah, I know. Y'all got to come over here and see this thing. I haven't gotten this dent fixed. And you can probably see it from here. See that dent right there. I got to get that fixed. I've been procrastinating on it. But, oh yeah, she jamming right there. I got to get this thing fixed. It's about 250 bucks. I need to just go ahead and come up off of it and stop playing. I do need to order a new SRT powered badge because a little bit of water seeped in this one. I think it might have been a bad one, and it's starting to discolor and turn kind of yellowish. Even though it kind of looks cool, it blends in with the yellow and red of the car, but I want it solid red, the same color of the car like it was when I first bought it. But when I went on Amazon, they were not selling them anymore. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. I might look on eBay and see if they have some. I don't know if because of this COVID thing, but pretty mad about that because I mean those things was like $4 a piece. The one on the front's holding up good. See, the one on the front is good. So I don't know, but then again I may take it off. One other thing, I know I just came from back here. This middle section, I took my Dodge letters off. Y'all probably know that from that one video. I was gonna leave it solid black like it comes, but I think I'm gonna do the decal that you could put back here. I may do the honeycomb decal. I don't know. I may do a custom one. I may do one with my YouTube name. Since I don't have my license plate with my YouTube name on the license plate, I might do it right back there. So y'all let me know what y'all think about that. But with that being said, we're gonna end this video. I know it was short. Just wanted to give y'all a little bit of update on how things was going, and you know why I haven't posted lately is because I've been working a lot and you know trying to get my house going, stuff like that. And once I get that going, I'll be able to do a lot more because I'll actually have a garage to put my car in and work on and do all the other stuff, and I'll be driving the Civic. I will be doing a little work to this just to make it look a little better. I ain't gonna really make it a little ricer or nothing like that. Just kind of make it look a little more presentable than what it is. Boy, these people jamming. So y'all hold it down. Y'all be safe out here. Wear your mask, please, so we can get through this thing. And y'all know, I know y'all have heard about the since they sent the teacher or the students back to school. You know, a couple of teachers done came up testing positive for the COVID. and I don't think that they was ready to do this anyway, honestly. I think this virtual at-home thing is probably the best thing for the kids right now. I know they hate it because it's not really much the same as sitting in front of the teacher, you know, and actually retaining information. So we're gonna get through this, y'all. We're gonna get through this. We just gotta be patient. I know it's hard. I mean, I want to go out and do a lot of stuff too, but at the same time, I got to think about my family and, you know, other people as well, because I don't want to have it and then mess around and give it to somebody else. So y'all, please wear your mask when you go out. Try not to go out as much, you know, just try to, you know, stick to the important stuff: grocery store, doctor visits, stuff like that, and going to work. So like I said, we'll see y'all in the next video. There is a pet car show this weekend. I may be going to that. If I go to that, I will be filming. Hopefully there's some new stuff out there, something that I've never gotten footage of, and I'll turn the camera on then. But in the meantime, y'all hold it down, be safe. I love y'all. Y'all hit the subscribe button, show me some love, and we'll see y'all next time. Man, look, y'all, excuse me, my mind is gone, thinking about a lot of stuff. I forgot to damn show y'all this before I closed out the video. I done went ahead, closed out the video, thought I was cool with it. But let me show y'all this right quick. This is the decal right here. This is the finished product right here. I got a couple of bubbles down here, but I'm gonna go ahead and squeegee those out later on. I'm just letting it cure and get on there real good. But this is what it looks like. So, you know, the paint comes through the letters and stuff like that, so it makes it look real neat. I like it. I ain't gonna lie to you, I kind of like this. I thought it was gonna be actual white, but that was the back of the film paper. And let me show y'all the where I put the 392 at. Go over here and show y'all this. Just went and got some dinner. Oh, y'all see them lights? Good God almighty, boy, hold on now. Let me show y'all these light, or the 392. So that's where I put the 392. Put one on that side, one on that side. So when you step back, when you open the hood, you got all your decal, I mean your the engine stuff for people to look at car shows. You got these right here, those cup holders. And y'all see I switched them around. So this one is facing that way. This one is facing that way. And you got the 392 up top right there. I think it looks pretty good. Just a little spot that I thought that I could put it, and it looked really good. Nice and clean. Those letters were pain in the ass to get on there. I ain't gonna lie to you. It took me about 15-20 minutes to do just one, because every time you would peel back, part of the letters on the edges would come up, and you would have to actually hold it down with your finger or the squeegee and finish peeling it, and then go over it with the squeegee just to get it down on the surface. So that's the finished product right there. I think it looks pretty good. And then you got those right there. So, you know, a clean look. Nothing crazy. You know, just I'm sitting up here wiping this thing down. I need to go wash it and stop playing. But you know, nothing crazy. Just a little decal right there on the sides. Y'all let me know down in the comment section if y'all like it. And you know, y'all can order it too. It's on Amazon. You can order it. It's like $8. And you put it on your car wherever you want to, and it actually goes on any surface of paint too, really. I mean, hell, if you wanted to, you could put those, you know, down there where the side markers are, or put it up under the 3. I don't know, just whatever. But that's all I want to show y'all that before I closed out that video, even though I already did. But like I said, recapping, y'all have a good one. Y'all stay safe out there, and we'll catch y'all in the next video.